Today we will study one branch of operations research. First we need to know what is operations research. Let's see what is operations research. Operations research has gained wider acclaim in the modern complex business world. For every complex problem of an industry today, well-defined operation research tools are the solace. Decision making in today's social and business environment has become a complex task. So, we need to have well-structured problems which can be routinely optimized at the operational level of organizations, and increased attention is now focused on broader tactical and strategic issues. To effectively address these problems and provide leadership in the advancing global age, decision makers cannot afford to make decisions by simply applying their personal experiences, guessworks, or institutions becomes consequences of wrong decisions are serious and costly. Hence, the understanding of the applicability of the quantitative methods to decision making is of fundamental importance to decision makers. Operation research is one such tool that helps in comparison of every possible alternative, that means course of actions, to know the potential outcomes, permits examination of the sensitivity of the solution to changes or errors. So this suggests that there are good number of alternatives which can be applied, and it gives outcomes and take up that outcome which satisfies the problem output most. Let us see what is the meaning of operations research. OR is the application of the methods of science to complex problems arising in the direction and management of large system of men, machines, materials, and money in industry, business, government sector, and defense, and many more. Journal of OR Society of UK defines this as the distinctive approach to develop a scientific model of the system, incorporating measurements of the factors such as chance and risk, with which to predict and compare the outcome of alternative decision strategies and controls. The purpose is to help management determine its policies and actions scientifically. Well-structured problems are routinely optimized at the operational level of organizations, and increased attention is now focused on broader tactical and strategic issues. OR Society of America defines OR as an experimental and applied science devoted to observing, understanding, and predicting the behavior of powerful man-machine system, and OR workers are actively engaged in applying this knowledge to practical problems in business, government, and society. In operation research, problems are broken down into basic components and then solved in defined steps by mathematical analysis. This mathematical analysis involves the tools which you have studied since your graduation. Analytic methods used in operation research include mathematical logic. That means you should have a problem and apply a correct logic, simulation, network analysis, queuing theory, game theory, and many more. Let us see what is significance of operations research. The basic question that comes to the mind is, what is the importance of operations research? Is knowledge of OR techniques really required? Can't we do away with OR techniques in our decision-making process? The answer to all these questions is quite simple, and obviously it is yes. We need OR to have the optimal solution, and lies in the understanding of the significance of operations research. We have to know about different OR techniques because of the following reasons. The problem may be complex, for which normal guesswork does not work. OR techniques help in arriving at a feasible solution to the problem, that too with full analysis and research. So this suggests that operation research techniques are scientifically based and its output also satisfies scientific results. The problem is very important and no lethargy on part of the decision maker can be entertained. In such a situation, also OR comes to rescue. OR methodologies are so detailed and meticulous that even a little scope for leaving a point unattended is unaffordable. The problem is new and no precedents exist to facilitate logical and intelligent decision making of the problem, like how to control and what arrangements is to be done for COVID-19 infections. It is very difficult. In this situation, OR comes to rescue of analysts, and the reason for this is that OR has a large pool of tactics that aid to solve even new and unthoughtful of problems. Like in COVID-19, we are waiting for medicine and vaccination, and the research team is working on it, and for that OR is helping them. If the problem is repetitive, and a model may be developed to enhance faster and better decisions, then OR can work. Like malaria can be controlled because it is repetitive disease, and whenever there is a transition of season, this problem comes. But there is a solution because there is a medicine. Again, OR helps like nothing else to aid the analyst in such a situation by offering either a ready-made model or a ready-made process to develop such a model and specify the decision-making process. Now let us see what is the scope of operations research. I already said that it is used in widely variety of issues. Operation research addresses a wide variety of issues in transportation, inventory planning, production planning, communication, operations, computer operations, financial assets, risk management, revenue management, and many other fields where improving business productivity is paramount. OR supports the key decision-making process, allows to solve urgent problems, can be utilized to design improved multi-step operations. These multi-step operations are processes, set up policies, supports the planning and forecasting steps, and measure actual results.